The BMW 3 Series is the only car that offers comfort and familiarity behind the wheel for a German brand that is gradually moving away from driver-focused dynamics and simple styling. And the Mercedes-Benz C-Class is among the most well-known and popular product lines the company has ever created. These small executive cars account for a sizable portion of the brand's global sales. The choice between the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class may come down to whether you're ready to upgrade your commute from Mercedes to a new luxury sedan. Which model offers the best resale value after 5-year ownership? Let's find out. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Let's do some research. Select car make, BMW, Model 3 Series. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base BMW 3 is $42,300. Own it for 5 years, annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. As you can see, a BMW 3 Series will lose 37% of its value over the course of 5 years and have a resale value of $26,712. The BMW 3 Series, like the majority of BMWs, quickly loses value after being driven off the new car lot. For brand new purchases, your 3 Series will be worth roughly 60% of its original sticker price after 5 years of ownership. Want to buy this model? Consider a few-year-old car that is still covered by BMW's Certified Pre-Owned program, also known as a CPO car, if you want to save a ton of money and let someone else enjoy the new car smell. There are some great deals to be had here, and since they don't change much in appearance, nobody will even notice that it isn't a brand new vehicle. Let's compare this car with the brand new Mercedes C-Class. Car make, Mercedes. Model C-Class. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base C-Class is $44,850. Own it for 5 years, annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. The results show that Mercedes-Benz C-Class will lose 39% of its value after 5 years and have a $25,746 resale value. For the first few years of its life, the Mercedes C-Class depreciates fairly quickly, and this trend continues through year 7, when it has one of the lowest retention rates among luxury models. You might find a deal on a car that doesn't lose much value moving forward if you decide you like the model well enough to buy one that is 6 or 7 years old. Mercedes vehicles last a very long time, so if you can find one that is older, well-kept, and reasonably priced, you might have struck gold. So, after 5 years, BMW 3 Series will depreciate 37%, and Mercedes-Benz C-Class will depreciate 39%. Both these luxury German sedans will lose more than 1/3 of their MSRP price in 5 years. Basically, you can choose any of these car models, but it's unlikely to be a smart investment to buy new.